Hi, everybody. Hope you're doing well out in YouTube land. I've got a little information for the general masses. They need to hear this. And then they need to rethink how fucking dumb they really are. I'm going to disprove gravity. Oh, I can actually. When helium rises, because that's what helium does, and you ask somebody, why does helium rise? Somebody that's educated will tell you the answer and then completely contradict what they told you and prove density. You see, helium rises because why? Because helium is less dense than air. And they'll say it. They'll say, oh yes, helium is less dense than air. And then you'll say, where's gravity? Where's the gravity? Helium particles are spread out more than air particles. So the helium rises up, if you want to call it up. All it's doing is seeking equilibrium. It's going to the place where it has equilibrium. Just like if you had a quarter in your hand and dropped it. You need your pseudo science to tell you that that quarter is falling because of gravity, and you want to use the word fall? No. That quarter is seeking equilibrium. It is simply more densely packed molecules than the air that it's in. And I will choose the word medium to explain the next demonstration. When you have water and an egg and a pot, and you stick the egg in the pot of water, the egg will sink to the bottom. However, if you add enough salt to the water, making it salt water, that egg will float to the top. That's called buoyancy. Buoyancy, you see, but you deny. You deny and obfuscate and lie. You're a pseudoscientists with your fucking bullshit fucking narrative of gravity. You're full of shit. I just proved buoyancy and density with helium that you know well as general public as a gas. That gas rises because why? You cannot invoke the word gravity. You want to. You squirm in your seat, you fucking maggot. But you can't use the word gravity. You have to invoke the word density because the helium is less dense than the air. The egg that floats to the top of the water, that once it sank and now you add the salt, changing the medium. The water is the medium. Creating a different medium allows the egg to float up. Buoyancy. The medium of the air that you are in is the medium. The helium rises up because it's lighter than the air. You fucking muppet, puppet, parroting, regurgitating fucking moron, think you're smart. Pick up a science book with real science in it called empirical. It's not an old method. It is the method, the only method. There is one scientific method. You don't have to like it. Squirm, worm, in your fucking seat. The egg floats to the top. The helium floats to the top. It is seeking equilibrium. It is that simple. The egg sinks to the bottom of the water that is fresh because it's heavier than the medium it is in. In both cases, where is gravity? Enjoy the rest of your retardation. It is your fate and you earned it. Keep your fallacies and your concepts where they belong, in your retard head, deadhead.